100 something like a Hemi. My wrist on gold just like a Hemi. Live life fast just like a Hemi. In the fat lane just like a Hemi.
What it do, YouTube fam? Your boy FLA back again with another video, man. Out here at Duval County, Jacksonville Fairgrounds. Trying to take a little walk to get away from all this copyright. And, you know, so y'all can hear me right quick. You know, up here at the fairgrounds at this annual car show they host up here called King of the South. I'm pretty sure that's it. It's one of the bigger car shows that comes here in the town. And last year, obviously, they didn't have it because of Rona. And this is the first year they brought it back. And, you know, it's a pretty decent turnout. I just finished parking, literally walking around. So, you know, it's about 4:35 p.m. Let's see what's happening. It's going on to about 9. So, you know, they got inside and outside. You know, from what I see, a lot of nice cars already. So let's get it. We'll bring you that footage like I always do. First time on the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that. You already know I'm out here. Let's get it. A couple little stains for y'all, a couple little Mustangs. And there's one of the homies up here, man. Webslinger RT. Check him out on his socials. Webslinger RT. You already see it. That man, it's a 5.7, but obviously he done did a lot of mods to this thing. Check him out. Check out his build. Webslinger RT. You already know we out here. Ooh, got them guts in there. Let's get it. So these Camaro boys running over here, boy. Let me see it. Let me see it. He said he running. He said he want all the smoke. Let's go. No, boy, that copyright gonna be a killer. You know, they got the old schools out here. Woo.
I got welded. He gave me some money for it. It's not bad. I was like,
see what we got over here. Oh, what up, man? Chillin'. You already know Mopar out here deep. 7 Mopars, you see it? Out here. Yeah, you already know. This was definitely the spot to hit today. Nothing else going on in the city. Definitely was the spot to be at. You know, there's just a little outside walking around real quick. They're still inside. I got the Buick. Buick in that thing. You know, man, these out here. running now. Wet. Okay.
Shaka on the beats, Shaka on the beats, Shaka on the beats, Shaka on the beats.
But he got some nice paint on the Tacoma though. See that flip flop? On the Tacoma. Oh, you already know. Red Key TV out here. Got the guts. Check it out, Red Key TV. If you haven't already, check out his channel. Go ahead and subscribe. You already know, man. We out here. Hopefully get some trophies today. Let's get it. Once again, that's Red Key TV. Go check out his channel. Hit that subscribe. One Killer Cat on Instagram. You already see it. Let's get it. I guess like Lambo though is really coming back or something, man. I've been saying since last night and the night, hella cars with Lambo doors, man. I don't know. Making a comeback, I guess. Let's see what's over here in the other room. Yeah. There ain't no Speed Mob family. They done came through from Miami. Go check them out. That's one of the homies, Mr. Slides. Another YouTuber. Check out his channel. I think it's called Life of Slides or something. Check him out, Life of Slides. Doing the big truck thing. Get all lit up.
What makes a great day surfing? Big waves. Okay, brother.